Say what you're doing.
I'm shutting it off. Oh my God.
I don't think so.
What? Oh. Then we have to turn the arm over. Because if you don't, it's going to be lots of... And then... Oh God, who thought dishwashing would be so difficult? How the hell? Oh. That has to go over. Yes. Now... That's regular water.
So it reverses the motor out of it?
No, the valve. Changing the valve from wash.
But you have to make sure the arm is turned over when you do that. Again, out there. The whole ceiling is blocked. The entire ceiling. The walls.
Christ, she dumps out faster than a washing machine.
Yep. And
this is too funny.
That's what you get. Before the rinse. That's before the rinse.
I will bet you any money that little tube is for permanently plumbing it in.
Might be.
I wonder if you were supposed to use a hose.
So now...
Would you like your kettle warm?
Not yet. I'm going to do just the first rinse. I'll do 2 rinses.
But if we don't break any dishes with it, it's not fun.
Actually, I'm going to find out how much...
Find out how many busted?
No, I got to see where... Yeah, how much water.
water.
Now you've got me paranoid.
I can certainly see where hand washing would have been faster.
Wow. Is it pouring in?
Did you switch the valve? It's going somewhere.
No, I didn't. Thank you.
So where the hell is all the water?
I don't know, probably on the floor.
Probably right in the motor.
Oh, probably.
In the puddle.
Okay, man, unplug that now.
So when you turn it on, right? Yeah. It'll be right into something. Yep. The Conover automatic dishwasher.
Move the dish so you can see the water coming in as I broke the dish. There, now you can see the water coming in.
If you use plastic dishes, you can put them right in the washing machine and wash them.
I need a drink.
Here we go.
Alright, valve is closed. Power on.